Stress is actually a good thing in several instances. It's not all bad. Stress is actually healthy for you in many cases. While chronic and overwhelming stress can have detrimental effects on physical and mental health, some level of stress can be healthy and even beneficial. This is actually often referred to as eustress, eustress, which is a positive form of stress. Moderate stress can serve as a motivator, driving people to meet challenges and perform at their best. I know for me that I work well under pressure, and often some of my best work comes from the stress and the pressure of meeting a deadline. Stress can enhance focus, alertness, and productivity, and it's been known to lead to better outcomes. Facing new and challenging situations can stimulate learning and personal growth. Stressful experiences can sometimes provide opportunities for us to develop.